Guys, we're going out to get tiles. I need some tiles for the house in Hellshire. Most of you all know me as an Airbnb host, but I also do full-time rental. I have a home in Hellshire. We have a home in Hellshire, and we do full-time rental at that property. However, since we've had that place like 20 years now, every now and then tiles just broke up. Well, not everywhere has been completed 20 years now, because we completed the house in parts. But one room in particular, every now and then, the tiles just break, them just bust up. I don't know if it's the wrong tile we're using, or I don't know if it's the I really don't know what it is. If it's the thin set, if it's the grout, but we're gonna change out the tiles. So come with me while I go get some tiles. So I am here to look for some 24 by 24, either porcelain or ceramic. Not this size. Not these. These look like outdoors. I think they're over here. Over here. This is kind of similar to what is there now. This is the type we have there now. 23.5 by 23.5. This is it. But we might be changing. We might be moving from the porcelain to ceramic, because as I said, this is like the third time since the porcelain just break up. So we're thinking to maybe go with ceramic instead. But this is the look that I'm looking for. Right? That one. Because it's big tiles we have in that room. Some big tiles. So we will see. So these are the ceramics over here. These are the ceramics. Maybe this one is kind of close to what is there. Close to what is there. Or the one below it. That looks nice though. That one with the gray. Wow, that looks good. The room is painted in green. I believe that room is painted in green. So, I think that's what we'll go with. And I don't mind this one. This one looks good too. And it's a 23.5 by 23.5, which is the size that I'm looking for. I'm sticking with those huge tiles, with those big tiles. I like them. And then it's all throughout that house is the big tiles we have. So we're gonna continue with those big tiles, those big 24 by 24, right? In the living room, in the kitchen, in the other bedrooms, right? It's 24 by 24. In the bathrooms on the floor is 24 by 24 as well. So I'm just gonna speak with the rep and show them the measurements that I got from the tiler. And then we'll decide how many I need and the amount of tin set that we need. I got that from the tiler as well, and grout as well. So we'll see where we're at. But in the meantime, I'm just gonna show you around. So you enjoy. You see them Christmas tree? Wow, their Christmas tree is nice. See? It's Christmas. Everybody know I love blue. This could do well in my space. Look at these porcelain tiles over here. They're cute. Porcelain floor tiles. And there are floor tiles. Wow. There's a lot of variety these days to help you, you know, to decorate your space. And for you to, you know, put your personality in it. If you're a person who loves blue, you could try this. Right? If you're a person who loves gray and black and white, you can try that as well. There's a wide variety. These are not bad. These are ceramic too. but they are smaller than the ones that I'm looking for. These are 17 and 3/4 by 17 and 3/4. I think it's gonna say 18 by 18. Yeah, see it? And they're ceramic. Like I said, I don't know if it's a type of tile while they keep breaking up, but I don't see why. The tile them just break over and over and over. Like 3 times now we tile out that room and other areas at that house. Something is wrong. Something is wrong. I don't know if it's the tiler, and we use different tilers all the time. So I really don't know what the issue is. I really don't know what the issue is. But guys, I'm gonna show you some more of what's going on here. These are the longer ceramic tiles. 11 and 3/4 by 23 and a half. Right? And these are wall tiles. So you could put this in your bathroom. I like this. I like that. I like that. You know, when your bathroom kind of have a neutral color, you can use it like a two-tone. You know what I mean? Something about this is really nice. This one too. Maybe it's the lines in it, like the, you know, something about this I like, about these, even these two. I think for wall tiles, like in bathrooms, I'm kind of over the too much of a bright pattern or bright bathroom. No, dull, subtle, neutral colors is what I'm in for. And of course, they have mirrors here. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who is the fairest of them all? You see, they have mirrors here. It's not full body mirror though, because I can't get a full picture of myself. You know, but I guess it's how you place it still. You know? But they're not bad at all. They have mirrors here. This one right here is $22,900, but it's probably for a short girl, not a kind of tall girl like myself. They have vanities. You know? Guys, there's no way, you know, we're wasting money on other things and not fix up our house, fix up our place, fix up our sanctuary, fix up, you know, our bathroom, our kitchen, our bedroom. I think this is the time now for fix up our house. Like, I swear to you. And a lot of people have to be rebuilding after Hurricane Melissa. So I guess not just to fix it up because you want a change, but also because it's necessary. It's necessary for a lot of people after Melissa. See, they have their mirrors here and their vanities. I like this white one. And I normally love white furniture, white interior, off-white, creamish, natural wood. Like for example, this natural wood looking thing here, this is me. This right here is so me. This is me. That is me, guys. They have jacuzzis here, right? Fluted massage tub. It's nice. It is nice. Look back at these natural wood vanities. I like them. I really like them. And it's like the mirrors come with a little, also vaulted parts in here. You can put your Q-tip there, you know, maybe a little container with cotton buds in it. Every little thing. This you can have at the side of your place. You see it? Look at it. This is nice. I like when they pair the items with like another item where it complements the space and complement the place. Wow, this is so nice. They even have windows here, like window blinds. This is nice. I don't know if this is a coffee color chocolate. No, not coffee, like chocolate, dark wood. Whatever this is, it's nice. It's really nice. And if you look at the counter, it's kind of like a glass finish. This counter, whoa, it's like a glass finish. It's not like the others. They're like quartz countertop or something. No, it's a glass finish. This stuff. It makes it so classy and nice. And the way they pair it with the blinds and the windows, looks good. It looks good, guys. They really give you ideas, and that's what I like. They give you a lot of ideas. Look over here. This is gray and white. So if somebody's working with a gray decor, gray and white decor, this would be perfect. This would be perfect. Wow. And I see media again over there, so with the natural looking wood and a little black in it and white, and it's a his and hers. You know, things that I be brushing my teeth, my husband brushing his teeth, and we're chat, and then we just kiss each other after we don't brush the teeth. Guys, I don't know if I ever go now like a comedy every now and then, but yeah, I like the double sinks. You know, his and her space, and we chat, and then we go in the shower. We go in one of these tubs. No, not this one. We're probably getting one of the jetted bathtub up here. Let me show you the one that we would go in after we finish brushing our teeth. This one. This can hold the two of us, yeah. Yes, this is the one that we would go in. This is the one that we would go in after. Or this one over here. You see? So we would just go and take a plunge after. Guys, you see, I'm giving the ideas, you know. So for the persons overseas wanting to come home, y'all have a lot of places to shop. I'm seeing that thing in the background there. Let's go look at it. Let's go look at that tub over there. Let's go look at these over here. No, this is the one that we should come in after we brush our teeth and kiss. Yeah, this is it. Anyways, guys, okay, back to serious business. So they have many things here. So when you come, you get everything for your space. Hi, I'm looking some ceramic tiles. Let me give you the measurement right here. I like this, guys. Back to regular programming. I like this, and I like this one too. This one is really fit for a couple. You know, this one is really fit for a couple, and the price is not bad. 199,000. No. That's not bad at all. Cora left-hand whirlpool tub with mixer, hand shower, drain, skirting. I don't think this is a bad price. I actually think it's a very good price. And see your standing showers there. You have your standing showers. Look at this one. You can even sit in this one. Sit and scrub your foot. Yeah, look at this. Kind of gray, off gray. White, for those who love white. Wow, the mirrors are nice too. I really like them. And this is black and white for those who have a black fetish. Fetish for black and white and love black and white. This is yours. And now for me, we love the natural look. This is us. Other people like myself who love the natural wood and white, this is us. This is definitely us. Right. So guys, I got my quotation on the tiles and the thin set and the grout. I don't get that prices yet. I sent it for someone else's approval. I sent the tile to them that I chose. So I'm just waiting. Look at the background. See the standing showers? I'm waiting for their approval for them to say yes or no, or maybe so, to go with the tile that I chose. But I think I did. I think I chose a very good one. So I'm just waiting to see if I should go ahead and purchase, if he likes it as well, because you know it's two persons have to make the decision.